Hey guys, we are on the plane. We're on the plane out to leave to go to New York City, and then we will be heading to Rome. Ciao friends, ciao, we are in Italy. We are in Trastevere.
So for family at home, I invite you to come to Trastevere with us. We're having a beautiful night. Cheers to that. So wine, we should use our vision first. So look at the density, the transparency, etc. And then we want to do first nose. We literally put our nose inside, we smell it. First nose is the starting point, and that's when we gather the information that are going to be used to be compared to the other noses. And then the second nose, we should want to oxygenate and air the wine like this, pretty much, drawing a little pencil on the table, and then gathering more information, and then enjoy your wine.
From water, and God created the first human being, whose name was Adam. Divine touch. This is the most famous image in the interceding of the Sistine Chapel, the creation of Adam. Those fingers aren't physically touching because Michelangelo gave us all our own interpretation of what the divine touch is. It's a divine. We're only humans. If those fingers touched, will they ever touch? It doesn't matter. As long as the goal was achieved. Which one was the goal? To let us have the first human being, Adam. Who was born after Adam? Eve. She was born from Adam's rib. Fantastic.
This is where the Pope does his thing on Sundays and Wednesdays.
So just a fun fact, that canopy right here at the end of the church is actually it's the size of a 10-story building, but it's so easy to get proportions wrong in here, he said, because it's just so big that you just can't tell. So really this is like the size of a 20-story building or more. This is crazy. Happy anniversary.